Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Influenster Varsity Vox box. Let's get started. This is an easy one-handed. Alright, and the first thing I see are Tide Pods, and I need to do some laundry, so this is pretty cool. Ooh, it smells good. And here's the card with everything. Oh, these are really pretty. Some nail dress by Kiss. Those are really cute. I'm excited for those. Looks like some Clearasil samples of the Super Fruit Wash. Can't really smell it. But that's pretty cool. There's 3 of those. Ooh. Airheads Extreme Bites. I'm really excited for those. And finally, the NYC Big Bold Lip Gloss in Pleasantly Plump Pink. Yay, I'm really excited for this, so